Today we shall start the chapter interpolation. Now, interpolation means insertion or filling of intermediate terms of the series. That means if you are given series or some values, when we have to find the intermediate values, then that process is called as a interpolation. And when we have to find the values of x outside the range of the given series or given tabulated values, it is called as a extrapolation. For example, here in first row years are given, and in second row population as given in thousand. That means here for 1891 46,000 population, for 1901 66,000 population, and so on. When you have to find the population in between these values, for example, you have to find the population here between 1911 and 1921. That means suppose you have to find the population for the year 1915. That means intermediate of these values. The process of finding population for the year 1915, it is a interpolation. Or when you have to find the population outside the range, for example 1935, it is a extrapolation. Okay. Mathematicians have developed a different formulae to obtain the intermediate values as well as outside the range values, that is extrapolation. Initially, we shall see the Newton's formulae. There are two formulas of Newton. Newton forward difference interpolation formula, and other is Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. At first, we shall see what is the Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Now, I have written here the Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Suppose some values of x and y are given to you. These are denoted as x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, xn, yn. These are the values of x and y. That means values of x are x0, x1, x2, xn. And values of y are y0, y1, y2, yn. Then value of the function is given or obtained by using the formula. It is called as a Newton's forward difference interpolation formula, and the formula is ynx equal to y0 plus p delta y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta 2 y0 plus p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta 3 y0, and plus on continue like this. Last term is p minus 1 p minus 2 plus dot up to pn minus 1 divided by n factorial and delta n y0. This is a Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. It is called as a forward difference because in this formula we shall obtain the forward differences. First order difference, second order difference, and higher order difference up to nth order difference. Now, in this formula again, the P means x minus x0 upon h. I have not written here, but remember that value of P is x minus x0 divided by h. Now, again, when we have to obtain the value of P, formula is x minus x0. X means for which value of x we have to find the intermediate value, that is the value of x. X0 means first value of the given tabulated values, that is x0 here, and then h means interval of differencing. Okay, H means interval of differencing. Interval of differencing means difference between the consecutive values of x. That means x1 minus x0, it is h. x2 minus x1, which is equals to h. x3 minus x2, which is also equals to h, and so on. xn minus 1, which is also equals to h. That means when we take the difference between any two consecutive values of x, which is equals to h. Okay, and using this we can obtain the value of p as a x minus x0 upon h. Then we shall consider one small problem. The population of a town in a decimal census was as given below. Then estimate the population for the year 1895. Here it is given that x is equals to, means values of x as 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921 and 1931, and the corresponding population in thousand is given as 46, 66, 81, 93 and 101. Now these values are given here. We have to estimate population for the year 1895. 1895, this is the in between the given series, and therefore we have to find interpolation. That means it is a problem of interpolation, not extrapolation. Now 1895, it is the beginning of the tabulated values. If you observe here, it is at the beginning of the tabulated value when we have to find the value of at the beginning of the tabulated value. At that time we shall use the forward difference interpolation formula. When you have to find the values at the end of the tabulated values, at that time you have to use backward difference interpolation formula. Today just we have seen the formula, forward difference interpolation formula, and we have to find the value at the beginning of the given tabulated values, that is 1895. We shall apply the Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. As we have seen, in this formula there are the forward differences delta y0, delta 2y0, delta 3y0 and so on, like this. Means to obtain these forward differences we shall construct the forward difference table. To construct the forward difference table, we have to consider values of x as, in first column, values of x as 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931. And in second column, we shall consider values of y as 46, 66, 81, 93 and 101. Okay, now we shall see this difference table. Look here, I have written, we require the population for the year x is equal to 1895. This is asked to you find the population for the year 1895, that is near the beginning of a set of tabulated values. Hence we shall apply the forward difference interpolation formula. As just I have told that to obtain the forward interpolation, use the forward interpolation formula, construct the forward difference table. Here first column gives the values of given tabulated values, second column is corresponding population, which means first two columns are given to you. Then delta y means first forward difference. First forward difference is a difference as y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2 and so on. In this case This is our x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Means here xn is x4. Last value is x4. And well, this is the values of yr. y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. And delta y means lower value minus upper value. That is 66 minus 46, it is a 20. Then 81 minus 66 is equals to 15. 93 minus 81 is equals to 12. 101 minus 93 is equals to 8. As already I have told that the difference must be written in the center of these two given values. Then second forward difference. Second forward difference is difference of first forward difference. Here first forward difference means that is 15 minus 20, it is minus 5. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Then third forward difference, it is a difference of second forward difference, that is minus 3 of minus 5, that is a plus 2. Minus 4 of minus 3, it is minus 1. And finally fourth forward difference, it is minus 2 is minus 3. After fourth forward difference, we have to stop the table because actually 5 values are given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore we have to go up to the fourth differences. After that, automatically the process will stop there because there is only one value in last column. To apply the forward difference interpolation formula, we require the value of p. And I have told that p is equals to x minus x0 upon h. What is x? X means for which value we have to obtain the interpolation value. That means here x is equal to 1895. X0 means first value of x, that is 1891. And h means difference between two values of x. Here you can observe that difference is 1901 minus 1891 is 10. 1911 minus 191 is also 10. You can observe that this difference is 10 every year. That means here h is equal to 10. That means difference between values of x. x0 means first value of x, that is 1895, and x is the 1895. x0 is 1891, x is 1895, and p is equals to x minus x0 upon h. Put the value of x. X is 1895 minus 1891 upon 10, and this comes to be 1895 minus 1891. It is 4 upon 10, and which is equals to 0.4. Value of p is 0.4. Now we have to write forward difference interpolation formula up to fourth differences, because our table is up to fourth differences. Then here we have written this formula. Newton's forward difference interpolation formula is yx, or you can write ynx also. Yx is y0 plus p delta y0 plus p minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta 2 y0, then p minus 1 p minus 2 3 factorial upon delta 3 y0, and then p minus 1 p minus 2 p minus 3 upon 4 factorial delta 4 y0. You have to remember this formula. Suppose there is one more term, then next term will be p minus 1 p minus 2 p minus 3 p minus 4 upon 5 factorial into delta raised to 5 y0. But that is not required here because our difference table is up to fourth differences. And now yx, x is 1895. That means we have to require value of y for x is equals to 1895. Then p y0, first term is y0 look here, table y0 means first value of y, that is 46. There I have taken 46 here. Then p, value of p, just we have obtained value of p is 0.4. It is a 0.4. Listen again. Y0 is 46 and p means 0.4, and delta y0 means first value of first forward difference delta y, and delta y0 is 20, that is taken here 20 plus p is 0.4, p minus 1 is 0.4 minus 1 upon 2 factorial, that is 2, and delta 2 y0, look here, first value of delta 2 y0 means first value, delta 2 y, and y0 means minus 5. We have taken that value here minus 5. Then next term p minus 1, p minus 2 upon 3 factorial. P means 0.4, 0.4 minus 1, 0.4 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 into delta 3 y0. First value of third difference, that is 2 here. And that is substituted here 2. Okay. Then next p means 0.4, 0.4 minus 1, 0.4 minus 2, 0.4 minus 3 upon 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24 into fourth order difference of y0, that is minus 3, which are taken here minus 3. And then remaining part is only calculation. Okay, you can do this, means here take the product 0.4 into 20, then here 0.4 minus 1, 0.41 minus 1, and then into 0.4 divided by 2. Calculators are allowed in examination. Then you can calculate this and verify this. This will come to first term 46, second 0.8, then 0.6, 0.128 plus 0.1248, and after taking the sum, it will be 54.8528, and therefore the population for the year 1895 is 54.85 thousands. Okay. सर्वांना एक सूचना अशी आहे की परीक्षा फॉर्म भरायची तारीख आलेली आहे. ग्रुपवर नोटीस ऑलरेडी खाकरे सरांनी टाकलेली आहे, ती पाहून घ्या. आणि यानंतरची काही लेक्चर मी कॉलेजमध्ये जाणं शक्य झालं तर बोर्डवर घेईल. काही चॅप्टरच्या माझ्याकडे पॉवर प्रेझेंटेशन पण आहेत, तर काही लेक्चर मी पॉवर प्रेझेंटेशनवर घेईन. फोटो काढून एवढं लक्षात येत नाही. ओके, विथ दिस वी शॅल स्टॉप.